Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to refund Suno AI. If you were charged by mistake, forgot to cancel a plan, or signed up and realized it was not what you needed, this video will help you understand the proper steps instead of guessing where to go. Refunds for Suno AI are not always guaranteed, but you can absolutely request one through their billing and support system, especially if you ran into accidental charges, duplicate payments, subscription issues, failed renewals, or technical problems. The main thing to remember is that a refund request works best when you explain the issue clearly and provide the right details from the start. I'll walk you through what to prepare, where to go, and how to phrase your request so you have the best chance of a smooth resolution. This will also save you time because contacting the wrong support channel can delay the process or send you in circles. Start by confirming where you originally subscribed. The refund path depends on your payment source. Check whether you subscribe directly on the Suno website, through the Apple App Store, or through the Google Play Store. This step is important because Suno may not be able to refund an App Store or Google Play purchase directly if the payment was processed by Apple or Google. Your email receipts and bank statements are the easiest way to tell. Receipts from Apple or Google indicate an App Store purchase, while a receipt referencing Suno directly points to a website purchase. Also, check the email address you used when signing up, because the receipt or subscription confirmation may have gone there. If you subscribed on the Suno website, open the support area on the Suno AI site. Look for their support or help center. Once you're there, find the option to reach the team. This might appear as Submit Request, Contact Support, or Billing Help. That's where you'll file your refund request. Make sure you are logged into the same account connected to the charge, because that can make it easier for support to locate your subscription. In your message, clearly explain 3 things: what charge happened, when it occurred, and why you want a refund. Be specific. Include the date of the transaction, the amount, and the plan or product. For example, instead of only saying, "I want a refund," explain, "I was charged for a monthly plan on this date, but I did not mean to renew." Briefly describe the reason, such as an accidental upgrade, a duplicate bill, a renewal you didn't intend, or a technical issue that prevented you from using the service. If you have a screenshot of the receipt or a bank line item, mention that you can provide it. This helps support understand the situation faster and shows that your request is clear and genuine. Keep your tone polite, factual, and concise. Do not include sensitive information like full card numbers or passwords. Support never needs that to investigate your case. You can include the last 4 digits of the card only if they ask for it, but never share private login details, security codes, or full payment information. After submitting, watch your email for a confirmation and any follow-up questions. Respond promptly if they ask for clarification. If your refund is approved, it will be returned to your original payment method, and the timing can vary depending on your bank or card issuer. Sometimes the refund may show as pending first, so give your payment provider time to process it. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play, your refund must be requested through that store system, using your account there. Each store has its own policies, review process, and timelines. So follow the prompts in the store's refund section and provide the same clear explanation of what happened, when it was charged, and why you're requesting a refund. In these cases, Apple or Google usually reviews the request instead of Suno support. That's it. Verify where you subscribed, contact the correct channel, and submit a clear, well-documented request. Following these steps gives you the best chance for a fast, fair outcome. And before you leave, make sure you also check your subscription status so you don't get charged again while your refund request is being reviewed.